Google has just released a new version of video generation model, VEO 3.1. Today we are going to try it out and I will also show you how you can use VEO 3.1 completely for free. The best part about this update is its new feature, ingredients to video, which lets you provide a few images and automatically turn them in a video. And it also works really well with sound effects and background noise. And even supports video generation from just the first and the last frame, creating smooth transition in between. And the interesting thing about VEO 3.1 is you can extend the previously generated video up to 20 times. And you can generate a video as long as 141 seconds long. Of course, it won't be a single row. You'll be extending video one after another. And yeah, either you can generate landscape or portrait video. And here are a few other samples.
Welcome. Care for a taste?
One improvement that I have noticed is the voice of a human. Previously, it somewhat sound like robotic, but now it sounds more natural.
City always got a story.
And here is a sample of ingredients to video. Here we are giving a scene, a girl, and clothes, and we are combining all this to generate a video. Here we can see like it has perfectly generated a video.
Hello, is anybody here?
And next one is like we are giving a bike and then a glitters, and it has created perfectly. And next one is like we have given gradient colors and the marbles, and you can see the marbles like it has perfectly blended that gradient colors in the marble. And here is a sample of extending the clip. Here we have the first clip and we can just extend the clip and it just continues based on the previous clip. And here is another sample of scene extension. You can see like the consistency is preserved here and the scene is also like perfect. And we can also add or remove objects from the scene. Like here we can see a few samples. If you want to know more, you can check this official blog post by Google about VEO 3.1. And here is one I tried Pikachu fighting with Penten in his tower shape. But I don't like it that much. The only thing I like about it is the electric shock of Pikachu. Rest I don't like that much. And here is a sample I tried generating with extending the video from text, of course. One thing that I liked here is like it starts from the last frame of previous scene perfectly.
Good morning.
Good morning.
But here all of a sudden he got the key. I don't know why. Here the prompt was different. Also it kept the same person, but it's of course in the same a different scene and different scenario. You can use View 3.1 completely free from Flow. Here is the approach that you will be following. Just go to this link and create with Flow. And after that, you just have to just sign in with your Google account. And then just hit the next button and just scroll down and continue. And then just hit the create button. View 3.1 can generate video from a few options, like first one is from text to video. Here you give a normal text prompt and it will generate video from it. And next one is from frames, like here you give first and the last frame of a video and it will generate proper in between frames to make a proper video. And of course you'll be writing prompts along with that. And the next one is from ingredients to video. It's like you give at max 3 images and you can include that images in video. Of course you have to give a prompt but the thing is you can include that images in our video. And next thing is like we can use VEO 3.1 fast and VEO 3.1 quality model. I don't know, it is showing here 20 credits, but as far as I have checked it out, it will cost you 100 credits. So if you are using free flow model, I don't recommend you to use VEO 3.1 quality. It might just make you to use only once. So you can try VEO 3.1 fast. You can create around 5 videos using this, and then you can either create landscape video or a portrait video. And next one is like how many outputs you want to generate, but make sure like if you hit a 4, like it will be using like 4 into 20, it's around 80 credits for single go. So just keep this one, and this is it, and you can generate video as per your requirements.